All right, guys. Today we're going to check out this Kips Bay true 2-bedroom with a balcony. Dishwasher, soon to be washer and dryer in unit. They have a laundry room downstairs though. Plenty of cabinet space here. Stainless steel appliances. It's your little pantry closet. A little storage space up top there too that goes back pretty deep actually. Really nice molding in these units. Dental molding, the crown molding. Give you a nice living space. Really tall doors in these apartments too. I like that a lot. Here's room 1. This is a queen. Storage units up there too, over your closets. I'll open just to let you see. But yeah, good closets in this unit, no doubt about that. They also have an AC installed above the door so you don't have to waste your window. You can still have your window. Okay. Nice and quiet. You're on the back side of the building here. Doesn't matter, this street is super quiet anyways, but I mean, you're literally, it's so quiet over here. It's nice. Really big slider closet in this room. And your balcony. Get to come outside. This is what I mean, how quiet it is. Looks like people have nice backyards here as well, but super quiet. You gotta love this. All right, guys. Hope you like. Enjoy. Oh, let's show you the bathroom. Sorry. Nice bathroom. Marble tile. All mirrored. All the way to the ceiling. These super tall doors. I like it. All right. Enjoy.